In the quirky realm of unusual talents, some individuals can transform simple burps into musical notes. Known as burpers, they master rhythm and pitch, creating melodies that will leave you in awe. One such prodigy, a young woman, can belt out classic hits with just her unique vocal skill. Competitions feature talents showcasing their burping abilities, setting them apart as true entertainers. These artists challenge conventional impressions of what constitutes musical talent, proving that creativity knows no bounds, even in the world of burps. This vibrant community transforms an everyday act into an art form, breaking barriers and redefining musical expression.